everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Technology with Amit. So in this video we are going to learn donut chart. So in the previous video we already learned uh, like pie chart and the bar chart. So for the donut chart we are working on the same data like male, female and other. So we've already exported this data on the Power BI. So open new page and just drag to the donut chart. This is donut chart. So our donut chart is here. Increase the size and pass the data in this. So just we are passing the legend value with the gender data, and also in the value we are passing gender. They automatically calculate the value of like male, female and other. So you can see there are 11 male, 7 female and 7 other. So for the formatting this good, we are going to the this format your visual and click to the legend is correct. And if you want to change the color of this, so just change this with to yellow, and this is to be red, and this is to be green. Okay, and if you want to spacing in this, so increase or decrease this. So this is good. Okay, then details label. So we are clicking on the all data value or percentage. Just change with all details. So this is all also show the name of the particular values I male and change some values like go to the general and go to the title and bold this and in the aligns middle and increase the size and change the font, sorry, color not is change the font with Arial black. Okay, this is to be good. And if we want to spacing not we don't necessary this, and go to the effect, change with black, and also change the as this color is white. Okay, and then change the background is also already changes, visual border is full, so this is more impressive. And if you want to shadow with color white, okay, shadow is imported. And if you want to this in the inside, so just click on the inside, you can see is here this shadow is so okay. And in the visual we are changing in the values like color is white. Okay, and change increase the size and bold. Okay, and in the values this is changed. And if you want to change this, so go to the, so for this go to the legend. Okay, and change with bold and increase the size. Okay, you can see there is more efficient than the previous. So this is done. Okay, in the next video we are further learn some new charts. So subscribe my YouTube channel Technology with Amit. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Technology with Amit.